Hayward heater with an SB code. Okay, that SB, it looks like 56, but SB means stuck button. Essentially means it thinks one of these buttons is stuck down, so it's unresponsive, not letting us do anything. But this happened to me a couple of times, but it's an easy fix, so I thought I would show you how to do it. Phillips screwdriver, 4 screws. Unplug it from power before we do anything. What we essentially need is just to replace this membrane keypad. I ordered this on Amazon. That's about $30. Easy enough fix. With the circuit board here, careful with the ribbon cable, but there's a couple of screws. Just undo these. Circuit board off. The keypad connects to the circuit board through this connector here. Let's remove that. Okay. Then we just got the keypad with its cable that gets fed through here. So this, you just kind of carefully peel it off. It's stuck on there with an adhesive. Do it from the side with the button first. So that, because the ribbon cable is stuck through there on the other side. So peel that off. See, the little ribbon cable comes through like that. So I'm going to do with the new one. Goes down like this. There's some 3M adhesive here. So let's remove the paper. Yeah, the ribbon cable goes through that paper, so you gotta just fish that back through there. Okay. Push the cable through. The adhesive are really good. Okay. This plugs right in right to where it was, so that when it's folded over flat like that, the cable just folds over once. There's just 2 little standoffs that 2 of those holes go in, and then the others have the little Phillips screws. And we are in business. Up, down, everything works. That's it. Easiest fix ever for a pool problem.